Well, right now there's a lot of excitement around 3D, and I see that there's a lot of attention ever since CES. People have been presenting their new 3D TVs, and the broadcast has been catching on very strongly in Europe and in the US. We strongly believe that there is going to be a lot of broadcasts coming up, but still the real potential in the short term, we see it in video on demand, streaming movies to the home, and a lot of pay-per-view as well. So there's a lot of 3D events happening in the theaters. Of course, we believe it's going to be a strong business in the current and the future months. But we believe that this will translate in pay-per-view in the home. Of course, everybody is, in terms of investment, people are more reluctant to move forward. But I have to say that we're moving from a zero business industry to something bigger. Any move forward is a big move forward. I think that 3D is actually in everybody's strategy in terms of growth. Sony's made it very obvious. The Panasonic, Samsung, and all the other major manufacturers, including Vizio in the US, are very aggressive about 3D, and I believe that this is going to be just the natural growth of the industry is going to be very good for us. I think that one of the challenges that the industry is going to face is lack of standards and general consumer confusion. There are going to be different kinds of 3D signals being output. The glasses will not work with the various TV sets. Consumers will see different products out there and they will not be able to understand all the differences. There's going to be a 2D to 3D conversion. It's not going to be a standard quality. It's going to be all over the place. So I think that this year is going to be a year of confusion. But you know, within the next 12 months, a lot of it is going to sort out, and I believe that 2011, 2012 is going to be great for everybody. Oh, IBC is huge for us. I have to admit that Europe has been catching on very, B-Sky-B has been the first broadcasters to officially announce that they're going to move to 3D. A lot of the projects that we have so far in Europe, I think the European market is already very familiar with going to see alternative content in theaters. So there's a big mix of different things happening in Europe. It's a big market for us, and we believe that it's going to be central for the next few years.